USC Viterbi celebrated National Robotics Week 2023 by inspiring students of all ages to pursue careers in robotics and other STEM fields. The USC Viterbi K-12 STEM Center hosted a robotics open house, inviting students inside several USC robotics labs. With professors and their students leading demos, participants got an up-close and personal look at the future of robotics. The Dawes Family Innovate Across LA student competition is equipping students with the skills to develop compelling pitches and launch their own startup. Put on by USC Viterbi's Civil and Environmental Engineering Department, students work to tackle issues facing LA, from public transit to making the city more green. Check out this article on the Viterbi homepage to learn more about the winning team that took home the $15,000 grand prize. Samantha Scott is a Trojan CEO fighting on for brain health. She's the founder and CEO of JuneBrain, an AI-powered eye scanning device for eye and brain diseases that may be a game changer for telemedicine. As a PhD student at USC Viterbi, Scott became very ill and was later diagnosed with a rare disorder. As this article on our website explains, despite the challenge, she not only went on to graduate, but created the very device that could help people with disorders like hers. The USC Center for Artificial Intelligence in Society, or CASE, is leading the charge in using AI to tackle a number of societal issues like healthcare, conservation, and disaster response. More than 50 students and faculty from disciplines across USC joined together for an event titled Showcase, a symposium to highlight the work of students and faculty using AI for good. That's all for this week. For more information on these stories and more, just head to our website, viterbi.usc.edu.